get beats. Fine. You gonna get that or no? E95VTY. Fucking hell, man.
I know it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's life.
Yeah. But hey, man, we really do appreciate the patience, man.
Okay.
All right. Well, thanks.
Яндекс не комментирует слухи о продаже своих сервисов. Это заявил неназванный представитель
Gay and on the plane, gays on the plane. Yep. And then Canadian police had a trans drag queen show participated.
Club was fascinating. Yeah. I hate to say by the confines of society here. I think people were better behaved when there was the possibility of being punched in the face. Yeah. But even when the possibility exists, it's just
don't want to get you.
Kind of ingrained
Don't want to get you. Get
us as a society not to go
Oh,
legal
God
ramifications
damn.
or societal ramifications.
Dude, that's why you don't break shit, bro.
Pummel each other. Beat each
¡Qué pendejo!
Hey! Fuck idiot! You idiot!
Why is this car going close? Oh my god. Is he drunk?
What happened?
I was making a left turn and that car just hit me. Oh, because you're saying I'm getting a ticket?
You got two.
Jesus.
Officer, get down. Oh, shit. Oh my God. He keeps hitting the car.
Bro. It's over. He's going to jail.